Today I've got something that might not look super exciting at first, but trust me, if you're into 3D printing, resin work, painting, or DIY stuff, this is a total game changer. I'm talking about the AirGearPro G-500 reusable respirator mask. Yeah, I got it from Amazon for just around 500 bucks. Let's check it out. So this is how it came, just in a regular Amazon cardboard box. Nothing too fancy, no extra wrapping or padding. But inside that, we've got the product box itself. Let me show you. Alright, here's the box. You can see the picture of the mask right on the front. It also mentions a few things like comfortable and lightweight, reusable and good quality. It even says it has a wide range of applications for painting, woodworking, sanding, all that good stuff. On the side, there are some more pictures showing how it works, and on the back, the main features are written in detail. If you want to check those out, go ahead and pause the video. I'm gonna skip reading the whole thing cause it's a lot. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. First thing out of the box, we've got the safety goggles. Let me peel off the plastic. And yeah, these look really nice, clear, sturdy, and should work even if you wear prescription glasses, which I do sometimes, and it fits just fine. Next up, here's the main mask itself. Looks solid, and yeah, we'll have to assemble it. Don't worry, it's not too complicated. Now we get 4 filters in total, and there's also this little black package. Let me open that. Alright, and this contains 2 filter elements. These are called non-powered air purifying respirator filter elements. Each one goes on either side of the mask, left and right, and these are the things that actually clean the air you're breathing. Okay, here's how to put it together and take the filter and place it into the purifier shell. Close the cap securely. Now just attach each one onto the sides of the mask and boom, done. If you get confused at any step, just rewind or pause the video. I tried to keep it clear. Now, the reason I bought this is because I recently started doing more resin 3D printing, and if you've ever worked with resin, you know that smell is nasty, and a long exposure to those fumes isn't good for your health at all, even when I'm doing priming or sanding 3D printed models, and there's a ton of dust flying around, so for me this mask felt kinda necessary. I'd not just helpful, I'd honestly say it's compulsory if you're starting out with resin or any other work that involves fumes, dust or chemicals. I wore it for a bit to test the fit, and it's actually super comfortable. The straps are adjustable, the seal around your face is snug but not too tight, and the goggles don't fog up like cheap ones usually do. And most importantly, the filters actually work. You can literally feel the difference in the air you breathe. Clean, no smell, no irritation. So yeah, that's the AirGearPro G500 mask. Affordable, reusable and super effective. If you're serious about staying safe while doing 3D printing or any kind of chemical or dust heavy work, don't skip safety gear. This thing is 100% worth the price. If you want to grab one, I'll leave the link down in the description. Hit like if this helped you out, and subscribe for more unboxings and tutorials.